Okay, hi everyone. Today I want to show you how we fix this damage. It's Ford F-150 and the main problem is on Ford that this everything is aluminum. So door is aluminum, body is aluminum, and bed is aluminum. And look how far is it right now inside. So and customer come to certified ACBC body shop, and if just look on it and notify that it's nothing critical, not big damage, yeah, but it cost, if do it right way, it's cost $8,000. But it's not necessary here to do everything what needs to be done. Why? Because nothing was broken. Basically, the bed is in pretty much good condition. We see some small kink outside and no any crack, nothing on the bottom. So what we need pull this out and check inner reinforcement. I seen it already. It's no crack, nothing, it just bent it. We remove this out, make it flat, straight, and on the same position, and make it same shape, and after fix dents what still stay on the vehicle. Remove all parts, remove handle, and we need to paint it as well. Remove everything, fix it and paint it. That's basically all planned for this vehicle. And it's kind of secret what I don't want to tell, but okay, if I say that I teach you, at least teach you something, look at this. So you think it's really bad and it's scratched and so it's worst, but basically on most damage, if you see properly, you can you can see for yourself. So this for sure scratch, but this is not scratch, it's paint. And as our vehicle is silver, so and paint is white, so it's not from this vehicle. Look, I take some thinner and remove it from here. So, and you don't see this paint anymore. And right now, actually, you can see scratches. It's still have some scratches, but it's not so bad. Most of them can be polished. So here, it's not same. Here, it have some paint as well, but same time it have deep scratches and dents. So this is for sure need to be painted. This is, we paint this as well because we charge for that for customer. But in your vehicle, if you touch something, just in case, if you don't know if you want to do that or no, just take it some thinner, clean it, and make your decision. Because maybe most stuff going out. Okay, so first of all, we pull this out. Make it straight with body and go from there. You see how it's moving? So it's not enough. Yeah, it still needs some movement, but it's going, and it's going good. So now we need from side make it this condition, so probably ½ inch, and make it this here. So we need still need move it for 2 centimeters, so it's almost 1 inch to this side. And when soon as it gets this point, we stop it, and after start fixing bedside. And now you can see that this side you can compare with this side. So basically we pull this out right now. Most important things. So what we have to do, we have to remove this buckle carefully, because aluminum it's material which really easy to crack. So when you work with aluminum, better warming up. Also, if you follow all instructions, so you have to use only for aluminum different tools and not same tools what you use for metal. But yeah, just be careful, warming up this area really good, and put some dolly inside, remove this buckle in, and our bedside going to original. Yeah, and right now Ford and Pavlo, I did make video how I prepare it to paint. It's nothing interesting here. So here we paint only bottom, because no necessary going out upstairs, and paint part of bedside and couple pieces. It's right here. So we do cup corner, this. So right now we have to clean it up and start painting.